In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to install a recessed accelerator hand dryer. It's very important to follow these basic rules before beginning to ensure a safe and successful installation.
If you have our newer model recess kit, part number 40505, installation varies. Rather than using 6 bolts to connect the dryer, the new recess kit requires only 4 bolts. Other differences include no backplate with chain to drop down, and the new wrench, part number 632 for the cover, has a longer handle for accessibility. We recommend using your hand to tighten each bolt on the sides of the dryer first, then tightening with the wrench. Be sure to save the wrench to remove the cover at a later date when service is needed.